Students works at Science North.
Yeah.
And he was telling me that there's a right way and a wrong way to pick up a snapping turtle. The wrong way is the way that I thought you're supposed to pick it, like on the sides like this. But apparently they can reach over and they can snap your finger off. So you got to pick them up with one hand. They're just like at the back under the shell. Like, okay, good to know if ever I decide to pick up a snapping turtle. So.
I don't imagine you'll do.
I don't think so, no. They're big, those things. And we're okay in this lane. We're going to keep going straight. This exits. This one here goes out to Valcairn, out to the valley. We don't want to go there. We're going to take this next exit, South Notre Dame.
There, I see it. And as soon as this lane opens up.
Yeah, right at the point. First few white lines there, the broken white lines. Perfect.
Can I turn off the lane?
Yeah. That's just to indicate that you're changing lanes. Once you're in the lane, you can cancel your signal. Nice dry roads today. You just go at a safe, comfortable speed. This is actually part of the route to get your full G.
Yes.
This is where they take you. Acceleration lane coming up, yeah.
Okay, I can see that lane's gonna end.
Yeah, and it's pretty short too. It's too bad they couldn't make it a little bit longer.
Yeah.
And let's make a left lane change. And we'll make another left lane change. At the traffic lights, we're going to turn left.
Okay.
So up ahead, you see the black panels with the white arrows on them there. There's 2 dedicated left turn lanes.